Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is faith that breaks walls. You see, have you ever felt like your past was too messy for God to use? So did Rahab. You see, she was a prostitute in a pagan city, the last person anyone expected to become a hero of faith. But God writes grace stories where the world only sees failures. You see, in Joshua chapter 2, Rahab hid the Israelite spies and declared, "I know that the Lord has given you this land, for your God is God in heaven above, on earth beneath." You see, she had never seen a miracle. She had only heard about them. But faith doesn't wait for proof. Faith moves when the heart believes. You see, while others feared judgment, Rahab chose faith. You see, while Jericho trusted in walls, Rahab trusted in God's word. And when the walls fell, her house stood, because she had a scarlet cord, which is a symbol of redemption through the blood of Christ. You see, Hebrews chapter 11:31 says, "By faith Rahab did not perish with those who believed not." And James chapter 2:25 reminds us that her faith was proven by her works. You see, real faith isn't silent. It takes risks. You see, faith doesn't just speak, it acts. Faith doesn't hide behind shame. It steps out in courage. You see, friends, Rahab's story shouts a truth the devil doesn't want you to hear. You see, your past does not define you. Your faith does. Your label can change the moment you believe. You see, God turns your biggest failure into your greatest testimony. So here's the question. Are you still standing behind your walls, or are you ready to let faith break them down? Because when faith meets grace, the walls fall and the chains break and the sinner becomes a saint. And that's the power of faith that breaks walls. God bless.